look at triangles and quadrilaterals. And these can be classified according to their angles and their side lengths. So first we're going to start with a right triangle. A right triangle has one right angle. Now it cannot have two right angles because then it would have to have four sides. So a right triangle is going to have three sides and one right angle. Now a triangle in which all angles are acute, so let's see here, I need all angles being acute, so that would be more like this. All angles are less than 90 degrees, would be an acute triangle. So something where all angles are acute is a right triangle. So notice all three angles are less than 90 degrees. I'm going to bring this over. Okay. And then if I have one angle that is greater than 90 degrees, that is going to make this an obtuse triangle. So this is an obtuse triangle because I have one angle that is greater than 90 degrees. This is also what is considered a scalene triangle, because if you notice, none of my sides are the same length. So this right here would be considered a scalene triangle because none of my sides are the same length. Now, if at least two of my sides are the same length, that is what we would consider an isosceles triangle. So notice that AC and AB are the same length, and so I can do this, and even though I lengthened AC and AB, they're still the same length. So this is an isosceles triangle. You'll also notice that angle B and C are the same. Angle A is not. What this is telling me is that the side opposite of C and the side opposite of B are equal or congruent. Here's the thing. This is an isosceles triangle, but this is also an isosceles triangle. Okay? Now if you notice, all three sides are congruent. All three angles are congruent. This is also what is called an equilateral triangle. So an equilateral triangle is also an isosceles triangle. But not all isosceles triangles are equilateral triangles. So what we have here is there's a hierarchy among polygons. And so we're going to start with just polygons at the top. And we're going to start over here with the triangles. And basically there are two types of triangles to begin with. There are the scalene triangles, and those are the ones where none of the sides are equal. Okay? Everything is unequal on those. Then we have the isosceles triangle. And that's where at least two sides are equal. So this one, no sides equal, if you want to put that down there. And I'm going to try to enlarge my pen size because I write better if it's enlarged a little bit. Here, at least two sides equal. Now, underneath isosceles triangles are what we consider the equilateral triangles. And there, all sides are equal. So, and here's the thing. You can go up, so all equilateral triangles are also isosceles triangles. All isosceles triangles are definitely triangles, and all triangles are polygons. But it doesn't flow the other way. So I guess I can go this way instead of this way, because not all triangles are isosceles, and not all isosceles triangles are equilaterals. And in the next video, we're going to talk about different types of quadrilaterals.